Hey everybody, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and as you can see, we've taken the show outdoors today because we are working with the outdoor formula of Mod Podge to create this really fun garden-inspired chair. Now we started with a plain folding chair and we're using napkins to create this really gorgeous look, and of course we're going to top the whole thing off with the Outdoor Mod Podge. You ready to do it? First, I'm going to prime my chair with the little folk art home decor chalk. This will just make it so that the napkin really sticks to the plastic chair. For this project, I'm using napkins for my decoupage material. You're going to only use the top printed ply, so make sure you remove all of the plain white plies from the napkin. Next, you're just going to cut out your floral motifs, and then you're ready to attach to your chair. I'm attaching the napkins using matte Mod Podge. Now that's just for the base. I will be top coating the whole project using the Outdoor Mod Podge. Make sure that you wrap the napkin around the front and side edges and attach with Mod Podge all the way to the bottom side of the chair. When doing an all-over pattern, you can layer up your napkins, meeting them at the edges. Okay, I've got the last of my napkins down, and now I'm gonna let this dry for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be ready to use my Outdoor Mod Podge. I am going to use about 5 coats of Outdoor Mod Podge with a dry time of about 20 minutes in between each one. And then once it's dry, I'll wait 72 hours before I use this beauty outside. Steve, what are you doing?
Don't worry, it's been 72 hours, and as we know, Outdoor Mod Podge cures in 72 hours.
Ah, right, so we're safe to sit on it.
Safe.
Well, we hope today's project has inspired you to think what you can do with an old folding chair.
And don't forget to hashtag Mod Podge and hashtag Plaid Crafts, because we love to see all your projects.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.
Bye, guys. Good job, Kath. Let's go.